Welcome, students! Today we are going to learn the chapter 14 of the book My Wonderful Book of Social Science. The chapter's name is United States of America, Part 1. On the right corner, you can see the national flag of the USA. The capital of USA is Washington, D.C. The currency of United States is dollars. What will we learn in this chapter? Learn to locate the USA on the world map. List the amazing geographical features of the USA which make USA an amazing country. Describe the history of the USA which will let us know how USA turned into a superpower nation. Let's get started. The big question. How did a diverse group of colonies transform into one of the most powerful nations in the world that now shapes global politics, culture, and technology? We will be able to answer this question after learning about the history of the USA. Spark Cognitive Activity SCA. Look at the given picture and answer the following questions. Name the country where this famous statue is located. I'm sorry for the blur picture, but this is the Statue of Liberty. So, in which country is this famous statue located? USA. In which continent is this country located? In which continent is the USA located? North America. Correct. Third, what do you know about this country? Now, this question is your homework. Feel free to answer this in the comment section. Thank you. USA on the world map. The United States of America spans a wide latitudinal range. It extends from approximately 24° north latitude in the Florida Keys. The Florida Keys is a beautiful chain of islands with beaches and colorful marine life, to about 49° north latitude in parts of Alaska. The United States of America is located in the North America, bordered by Canada in the north and Mexico in the south. It is situated between the Atlantic Ocean in the east, Atlantic Ocean to the east, and the Pacific Ocean to the west. United States is the fourth largest country in the world as far as its total area is concerned. We are using the word concerned because we are talking about the total area. The total area of the United States is approximately 9.8 million square kilometers. This includes the combined area of the USA, which is about 7.7 million square kilometers, and the area of Alaska, that is separated from USA by Canada and other overseas territories. The USA has special benefits from its strategic positioning between Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This has facilitated trade and geopolitical. The way a country's land and resources affect is its government, trade, and relationships with other countries' influence. Geopolitical means how a country's topographic position and how its resources affect its relation with other countries. It also helps in its access to both the eastern and western hemispheres. This has played a significant role in the country's historical and global spheres of influence. Now let's explain. The USA spans a wide latitudinal range. Suppose this is your Earth. Now this is your Earth. And these yellow color lines are latitudes. Now latitudes don't actually exist. These are just imaginary lines which mankind uses to divide the earth. Yes. Now we have latitudes, but what are we missing? Longitudes, yes. So these red colored lines are longitudes. I'm sorry for my bad drawing. I'm not really good at art. Yes. So these yellow colored ones are latitude and these red colored ones are longitudes. Now it is written that 24 it extends from approximately 24 degree north latitude, which means so this is the earth and it's actually a much better view, huh? We can rotate it. Yes, this is India and this is North America. This is North America, okay? So these standing lines are longitudes and these horizontal lines which I have just now added are called latitudes. I hope they are clear. Okay, now it is saying that USA extends from 24 degree north latitude. 24 degree north latitude, let's find it. Okay, now can you see that black line? Yes, exactly in the middle. It is 0 degree or equator. Okay, it is a latitude. Yes. Why are we using this? Because it will help you map in your exams. Now that this blue area that I have covered is actually USA. And the green line which is between the yellow and black line, the green light, wait, let me show you. This one. This is the green line. It is 30 degree north. Now this one is important because USA extends from approximately 24 degree north. So 30 degree north and then we can use our approx from right here like this. Wait. This is 24 degree north, okay? So we are using the 30 degree north as an reference to mark 24 degree north. Now the USA extends from 24 degree north latitude in the Florida Keys. These are the Florida Keys, okay? With beaches and colorful marine life. Now if it is a coastline, then of course it is gonna have beaches and marine life. It extends from Florida Keys to 49 degrees north latitude in the parts of Alaska. 49 degree north latitude. Wait. Yes. So this yellow line is 60 degree north and this green line is 30 degree north. So we are going to take approx and find out 50 degree north. Where is 50 degree north? This, no, this. Yes, approximately 50 degree north. And then we are going to reduce 1 degree. So wait. This yellow line is 50 degree north and slightly less will be 49 degree north. So this is how you can use latitudes and longitudes to map the locations. For 69 degrees north latitude in parts of Alaska. The United States of America is located in North America bordered by Canada. So this is North America. And above USA, which you can see is this is Canada. So USA shares a border with Canada. Canada in the north. Now we know that this direction is always north. And Canada is above USA, so it shares a border with USA shares a border with Canada in the north. And Mexico in the south. this is Mexico and south is this direction. So USA shares a south border with Mexico. The United States of America is situated between the Atlantic Ocean in the east and the Pacific Ocean in the west. Now, this is the Atlantic Ocean and east is this direction. So, USA has a coastline in Atlantic Ocean in the east and Pacific Ocean to the west. This is Pacific Ocean and west is this direction. So USA has USA has coastline in Pacific Ocean in the west. Understood? The United States is the fourth largest country in the world. Now USA is the fourth largest country in the world. And which is the largest country in the world in terms of area? Russia, yes, exactly. So US is the fourth largest. And what is the total area of USA? The total area of USA is 9.8 million square kilometer. Now we always count area in square kilometers and volume in cube liters, no, cube meters, and when we convert cube meters into liters, then liter is only liter, it doesn't need to be squared or cubed. So the area of USA is 9.8 million square kilometer square 9.8 million square kilometer. Now 9.8 million square kilometer includes what? It includes the combined area of USA, which is about, this area of USA is about 7.7 billion square kilometer. But this is only 7.7 million square kilometer and the total area is 9.8 billion square kilometer. So where is the remaining area? Well, USA also owns Alaska. Alaska is also included in USA, which is separated by USA by Canada. So Canada is between Alaska and USA. Now if USA isn't connected to Alaska, then how did Alaska become a part of USA? Well, that is interesting. We'll learn it deeper later in the chapter. Now it also includes other overseas territories. Well, you see, these small islands are also counted in as a part of USA. So they also contribute in its total area. Next, USA has special benefits from its strategic positioning between Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Now this is Atlantic Ocean and this is Pacific Oceans. So USA gets a lot of benefit because of its coastline in both the oceans. This has facilitated trade and geopolitical influence. Now, do you know we have read about geopolitical ones. Do you know what its meaning? I'm giving you 5 seconds to remember. Geopolitical is the way a country's land and resources affect its government, trade, and relationships with other countries. Understood? So this is has facilitated trade and geopolitical influence. Trade and geopolitical influence. Now, because USA has a wide coastline, it it features it features trade from various parts of the world, which make it rich in resources and develop its influence in other overseas countries. It also helps with its access to both the European and Western hemispheres. Now, because USA has a part of Alaska in the Western hemisphere, it has accessed its influence to both the European and Western hemispheres. This has played a significant role in the country's historical and global spheres of influence. So this has had a lot of influence in in USA's history and influence, because now it is connected to Europeans as well as the Asians and Africans and Americans. So this has given USA lot of influence, global influence. Now this is all for today, and we will learn about it later. We'll learn about rest of the topics later. Like our next topic would be geographical features and landforms. So we'll learn about the topography of USA. And this is United States, like we have discussed in the map in the globe, and this is Alaska, by Canada, yes, and this is Mexico. In USA extends from 24 degree north latitude to 49 degree north latitude. This is 24 degree and this is 49 degree. No, this is 49 degree, and we'll talk about this part later. Okay, bye, thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.